There's Coco. There is Destiny. This is New Year's Day 2026. Come on, Coco. And they just like to come out, chase the lizards, insects or whatever, play. Not much. In a few months, we'll be going out back where the swimming pool is together. Destiny just started coming out about 4 weeks ago. She's just now, and she won't get off this wall. She doesn't get off in the grass very often. Well, here is something new for the New Year's. Destiny is out digging, playing in the grass. She usually doesn't get off that wall. Come on, let's go in. Come on. Come on. Get her, Coco.